downshift. Damn. I'm gonna miss that sound. I'm really gonna miss that. Yo, what's going on, guys? So that was a hassle to start the recording. It's always so hard to start it because I'm using my phone in the thing, so it's like super hard to set up. But yeah, just another POV video for you guys, and this is gonna be my last POV video because I am selling the car. I'm selling it tomorrow. So today is Wednesday. I'm selling the car tomorrow on Thursday, and it's gonna be gone like before 12, like midday before 12. So you know, it is kind of sad. I did mention it in my last video, that in like my last POV video, that I'm gonna be selling the car. I feel like I look so dumb with this thing on my head, but yeah, I did mention it in my last video that I'm selling the car. I'm not gonna tell you guys what car I'm getting yet, but it is my dream car, you know, so I'll make a video on that for you guys. I'm not sure how soon I'm gonna get it because I already have a few of them that I talked to some guys about, so I'm just gonna pick between, I have like 3 of them. I'm gonna pick between those, but it is my dream car. Like all 3 of them is the same car, you know. It's 3 different people though, so it's like a different color from each person and like a different model of the car. So yeah, damn, that guy just looked at me. You're probably thinking I look so dumb, but it's what it is. But yeah, so I'm gonna get it. I can get the car as soon as I sell mine. I just have to go pick it up, and it's quite far away. So yeah, I'm not sure when I'm gonna go pick it up. Definitely soon though, because I need a car. So I'm gonna pick it up. I can pick it up the same day. I just don't know if I can get someone to drive me there, but like within a week I'm gonna have it for sure. So by next Wednesday I'm gonna have the car. Today's Wednesday. By next Wednesday I'm gonna have it, and that's my dream car. I'll make a video on it, like I said, to show you guys what it is. You know, I'm really excited. I'm really sad that I have to sell this car because I made this car like from scratch. I built it myself, you know, so it's kind of like sad to having to let go of this car, but you know, bigger and better things are coming, so that should be fun. I'm gonna make way more content on that car as well. I did promise to make more content on this car, but I didn't plan on selling this car. I really didn't. I just posted it like as a joke. I got a bunch of people texting me for it, so you know, I got some good offers, and I saw my dream car for like not too bad of a price, you know, and I just thought I'd follow through with it, you know. So yeah, I'll show you guys that. You know, I'll make a video on it, like I said. I feel like I can't even focus right now. I don't even know what I'm thinking. But yeah, I'll make a video on it for you guys. This lady's just walking out at a green arrow. Smart. I'm gonna miss that sound. I'm really gonna miss that. The car sounds amazing. But yeah, I'm really excited to let it go though. Like, I'm excited to let it go, but I'm also sad. I'm excited because I'm getting my dream car, but I'm sad that I have to sell this car. But I really can't have 2 cars at once. It's just not smart, you know. So I'm gonna, yep, hopefully the new owner is gonna take care of this. He seems like a really cool guy. He's coming for it tomorrow. Yeah, so I hope I'm putting the car in good hands, you know. But damn, I'm gonna miss this car for sure. I had a bunch, like I have a lot of plans to do with this car before I sell it, right? I was gonna do a lot more like mods to it. Look at this, everyone's just walking into me today, and I have a green arrow. It's a homeless guy though, can't even blame him, to be honest. He's probably high. But yeah, I had a lot of things I wanted to do to this car, but you know, this isn't my dream car. Like, I love the car, but it's just not my dream car. So I was thinking like it's not worth putting all this money into it, you know, and I'm not gonna keep it forever, you know. Like, it's not a waste of money because it's fun, right? And everything I did to the car, I'm happy that I did. There's not one mod I did to this car that I regret, right? But some other things that I would have done, like I would have gotten a tune, like coilovers and all that. I'm happy I didn't do that because I'm not gonna keep the car forever, but everything else I did, like the exhaust and the interior, like everything else, I'm glad that I did. So yeah, the reason I didn't do the coilovers and all that, because I'm not gonna keep the car forever. I think it's just a waste of money to put all that extra cash into it, knowing that I'm eventually gonna sell it, right? But like I said, I didn't plan on selling it, just not this soon, right? I know I would sell it in the future for like my dream car, but I didn't expect it would be this soon. I haven't had this car for even a year. I bought it last November and it's August 3rd today. Yep, and I'm selling it tomorrow. So I really expected to have this car for at least a year or like 2 years. Not even a year. I thought I would have it for like at least 2-3 years, to be honest. And then I would get my dream car, but you know, it happened to come faster. I'm not complaining. It's my dream car, so yeah. But the dream car, you guys are gonna see it on the channel. Like I said, I'm gonna make a bunch of videos on it, but sadly winter is coming back around and I'm in Canada, so you know how that goes. Like, it's gonna be hard to make content, but you know, I'll do my best. And I'm gonna be building that car from scratch, just like how I started with this one, like from nothing, completely base. I'm starting with my dream car from that same level, and it's gonna be crazy. I'm so excited for it, but sadly I have to wait until after winter because I don't want to do what I did with this car. I kind of did this car in the winter, like when winter was ending, and it wasn't the best thing because most of the double-sided tape didn't stick. I ran into a bunch of issues with it, so I'm just gonna be patient with the next car and just wait until after winter to do it. But yeah, that car, that's the one I'm gonna go crazy with, right? Because it's my dream car, so it's gonna get everything. Coilovers, the tune, it's getting everything, right? So most of you guys probably already know what car it is if I mention it in any other video, but I don't think I have. But like for the people who actually know me in real life, like everyone knows what my dream car is, right? And you guys may be wondering, why didn't I get the dream car and not the Lexus if I'm already gonna sell the Lexus? To be honest, I just didn't, I don't know, I just didn't feel like I was ready for it. I could have gotten it, but I didn't think, wait, downshift. But yeah, I'll just roll my windows up. Yeah, but I just didn't feel like I was ready for the dream car. Like when I bought this car, I wanted my dream car, but financially I didn't think it was the perfect time. I could have done it, but I didn't think it was very smart. And this is kind of like my first car that I've modded, so I didn't want to like experiment on my dream car, you know. But now, I put all the mods into this car. I kind of know what I'm doing. You know, I learned a lot more about cars as well. Like since I got this one, like there's a bunch of things I didn't know at first, and now I know all of them. So I'm happy that I didn't get my dream car to like learn on. So I kind of learned on this car, and now I'm gonna get my dream car, and I learned a bunch more. So a lot of things I didn't know, I know now. So I'm gonna do those to my dream car. You know, like all the ideas, like, yeah, I just think I wasn't ready at first. That's why I didn't get my dream car. You know, I didn't think it was smart financially at the time. I didn't think I was ready for it. Yeah, I really don't. I don't know why I didn't get it, to be honest, but I just didn't think I was ready. So yeah, I feel like I'm ready now for it, to be honest. And there's never like the perfect time to do something. Yeah, if you guys are seeing a lot of cuts, I just cut the videos because when I'm sending them, if it's a long video, it takes forever. So I just make like shorter pieces and then put them together. But yeah, fuck, what was I gonna say? I'm going on the highway, so I'll just cruise. So it's a POV video, but I'm not even going crazy, to be honest. I'm just talking. But yeah, so it's never gonna feel like the right time, and like it's just that, like it's just a part of life, you know. Like you never feel like it's the right time to do something. So like because right now I still don't feel like it's the perfect time for my dream car, but I feel more ready than I was last year, and it doesn't feel like the perfect time, like I said. And if I keep waiting, it's never gonna feel like the perfect time. But right now I'm definitely more ready than last year. I think I'm ready enough, right? So I'm just gonna get it, and because when you get it, after you get it, you're gonna feel like it's the perfect time. But before you have it, you're like, nah, it's not the perfect time. But once you get it, you're gonna be like, oh, it couldn't have been a more perfect time, right? It's the same with this car, because when I got this car, I was gonna wait until after winter, but I got it mid-winter, and I was like, it's not the perfect time. I was waiting till after winter, but when I got the car in winter, I'm like, it couldn't have been a more perfect time, you know what I mean? So yeah, I'm getting the dream car. I'm really excited. I'm sad that I have to let this car go though, but I'm really excited for the dream car. You know, a bunch of videos, like I said, are gonna be coming on that car. A lot of mods, like a lot of mods. I'm doing everything to that car. But yeah, I don't even know what else to say really. I'm just thinking about all the videos I have to make today because I'm selling the car tomorrow, and I still had some videos in mind that I wanted to make before I sell it. So I'm driving home right now. I'm gonna make all of those videos tonight. Obviously I'm not gonna upload them all at once, but I'm gonna record all of them so I can upload them over like the week I don't have a car. And yeah, so this is the first one, the POV. I recorded a POV video, but it really wasn't that good, so I didn't upload it and I don't even think this one is all that good, to be honest, because I'm mostly just talking. But the last one was super short because I ran into a bunch of troubles like doing it, so it wasn't the best video. I just didn't upload it. But this one is going to go up for sure. I don't think this is the best one either because I'm not even like going crazy or nothing. I'm just talking. But yeah, I'm going to upload this one regardless because I'm like telling you guys that I'm selling the car. And I'm probably going to mention the same thing in my other videos that I'm selling the car. So I'm going to make a few other videos this evening. I'm going to make one with all the mods I've done to this car. I'm going to make one like why you should buy an is350. I have like 3 videos I have to make tonight. So yeah, I'm going to make those. I'm also going to mention it in those videos that I'm selling the car, because in case you guys don't watch this one and you watch another one, you'll still hear, you know what I mean? But yeah, I'm going to make those later. And yeah, I don't know what else to say really. I'm just on the highway here, just cruising away. You guys can have one last look at the car. You know, I'm gonna clean it when I get home as well. I'm gonna give it a wash, make it all clean for the guy tomorrow. But yeah, I'll give you guys one last pull, and then I'll end the video there. You know, I'm gonna wash the car like I said, make a few other videos tonight, get a few clips for some reels, and that'll be it. So this is a Kia Stinger in front of me, so I'll just see if he wants something. I doubt he's gonna want to race, but you know, just to end off the video, I'll just try a little something for you guys. See if it's an older guy. Usually if it's not even like, I don't mean it in a bad way, but usually older guys, they just don't race. But if it's a young dude, he's gonna race, you know, because he's like thinking the same thing like I am, you know, it's all about speed. So it's an older guy though, he's not gonna race. But I'll give you guys one last pull. So this is the last pull you guys are gonna see off the car because I'm selling it, you know. And the other videos I'm not gonna be driving, so those aren't gonna be POVs. But imagine I crash the day before I sell it. Nah, I'm not even gonna say that. I don't want to jinx it. Alright, let me just stop. So yeah, that's a little pull for you guys. And yeah, that'll be it for this video. You know, nothing crazy, nothing much, but it's a POV video. You guys like those. So hopefully you guys enjoy this one, even though I'm mostly just talking. But you know, hopefully you guys still like it. And I'll see you guys in the next video. So I'm gonna make like 3 more like I said. But yeah, that's it for this one, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.